Well, hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. We're out here at the Avon Park Aero Models Club. Gonna take up one of my favorite jets, the FMS Futura V3. I'm running in mid rates, which for me are 80% throws over 20% expo. Now, the plane does have the reflex in it, but because I don't have a 7-channel receiver, I only have a 6-channel receiver, I'm only able to power the reflex, which means just their optimized mode or their version of AS3X, so, or wind mitigation. So we're going to give ourselves a nice range test here. Go down here to my like 110-foot spot. 90 feet's all you need. But function list, depress your bind plug, look for the plane. I just kind of like to spin her around while I'm holding that plug, and I'm not losing any bar. I lost one bar, so she more than passes the range test. All right, let's bring her back here. So I can get myself a control surface test. All right, get behind her. Right aileron, left aileron, up elevator, down elevator, right rudder, left rudder. Wind is out of the due west now, so that's fine with me. That'll make my approach a lot easier, because that means my approach is from the east, so I'm not having to worry about landing with my eyes at the sun. Not a good idea. All right, well, here we go.
Gear up.
I'll tell you what, you want to talk about one locked in plane. I think my nose door flap is hanging open. Yeah, it is.
Gear down.
I'll be honest, I think that door, that gear door,
Landing flap.
is more trouble than it's worth.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Let's see if I can't figure out
Motor on.
why that thing's hanging up.
Flaps up.
Okay. All right. Well. Well, who knows? Oh boy.
Motor on.
This is an easy jet, easy flying jet. She can be fast though. I mean, don't make no mistake. She can get away from you in a hurry. But she's a good flying jet.
Gear up.
Yeah, that door is hanging up again.
Landing flaps.
But this jet will also slow right down for you. Look at that.
Gear down. Time remaining 2 minutes.
And come by slow. Into the wind. Away from the sun. Still got the gear down. Into the crazy wind. And that's 2 landings for the price of 1. I think I take it back to the bench. I'm just going to take that gear door off. To be honest with you. That way I don't even have to worry with it.
Take off flaps. Flaps up.
Got 1 minute and 16 seconds.
Gear up.
Oh, now the door is down. Now the door goes up.
Time remaining 1 minute. Landing flaps.
Come by kind of slow here. It's almost like the gear door heard me say that I'm going to remove it. Boy, that thing howls. It really does. I love flying this jet.
10, 9, 8, 7. Motor off.
All right.
Flaps up.
Let's check this battery pack out and see where we're at. One of the drawbacks, of course, is that gear door wants to hang out, or hang up, actually. And let's see what else. Okay, 27%, so I don't go up any further. The other drawback on this plane, and it's not really so much a drawback as it more as a personal gripe, is around this foam here is very soft, so be careful how you grab it. And I would like, very much like, for the nav lights on either side to be constant, not flashing, or at least have the option. Now the belly light is very bright and it stays constant, but I would like for the nav lights not to flash. But there again, that's not that big of a deal. This Tomahawk, I guess, is a German design. Great flying jet though, absolute stable, locked in, and that's what you hear is that the gyros, the wind gyro. Doesn't have safe, but it has wind mitigation or optimized mode. But is that not a beautiful, beautiful jet? Boy, I tell you what, it is. She is a gorgeous, gorgeous jet. I love the colors. I absolutely love the colors of this jet. All right, folks. Well, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all. And don't forget, faith, family, and friends, and then planes. Bye-bye.